tilapia or maybe salmon, but you don't have to do that. So on the low end is 3 packs of 99 cent steamed broccoli. I just throw them in the pot, steam them for a few. I mean, I don't even let the water boil. Just as long as the water is hot, they're normally good to go because they're going into meal prep and they'll be refrigerated. And then three, three, three one ounce cups of rice. We like an abundance of rice in our meal preps. So 3 cups will cover about 14 meal preps. And the containers are this. These are the containers. So I put 1 chicken leg, half a cup of rice, half a cup or 3/4 cup of broccoli, and we have we have lunch and dinner in these containers, and they'll be stored in the refrigerator with the lid on, and we'll be good for 5 days. And that's, doing the vending machines and working. Like, I can eat at home or I can take my lunch with me and microwave it, and I'm good to go without having to spend a bunch of money trying to buy food. Spending $28 to buy me something in the fast food, and I'm gonna eat it right then and it's gone. You spend less than $20 putting this meal together, and it'll last for a family of 4 for about 5 days. So it'll take me maybe an hour, 20 minutes. The chicken to cook. The chicken is going to be cooked. The air fryer. And if you don't have to have this exact one, but it's a standard to me. That's what we use. I put everything in here. I put the meat in here. Put the meat in here, and then set that on bake for about 45 minutes at 325. And normally you can add whatever kind of seasoning you and your family likes. I think today we might do Himalayan sea salt or Chipotle roasted garlic with some umami seasoning with mushroom and onions. So more than likely we'll do one of those variations. But guys, I just wanted to show you, this is something quick and simple you can do to save some money, man. Like, it's not that much time. At the same time it would take me to wash and dry a load of clothes, I'm done cooking all the meal preps for 5 days. Now when I need something to eat, or my wife needs to take something to work, she can just grab her lunch from home. And, it helps our budget when we're budgeting for, our children or whatever we're budgeting for. So guys, thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Au revoir. A bientôt. À la prochaine.